An arrest is an indication that probable cause exists to believe the subject was involved in the offense alleged. A person is innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. 29 Oct 2023. CPSO searching for shooting suspect. Last night around midnight, Calcasieu Parish Sheriff's Office deputies responded to a home on Bruce Drive in Lake Charles in reference to a shooting. When deputies arrived, they learned several individuals were suffering from gunshot wounds. During the initial investigation, deputies learned there was a party at the home when a fight broke out. At some point a firearm was produced and 6 people were shot. After further investigation, detectives were able to identify the suspect as Ardavine Green, 17, Lake Charles. A warrant was issued signed by Judge Cynthia Guillory charging Green with 5 counts of aggravated second-degree battery, attempted second-degree murder, illegal possession of a handgun by a juvie, and illegal use of a dangerous weapon during a crime of violence. Detectives have exhausted numerous attempts to locate Green but have been unsuccessful. Anyone who knows his whereabouts is asked to call CPSO at 491-3605. If anyone is found to be assisting or harboring Green, they will be charged accordingly. The victims, ages 15, 16, 2, 17, 2, and 19 were all transported to a hospital for treatment. One of the victims is listed in critical condition. The investigation is ongoing and anyone with any information is asked to call the Calcasieu Parish Sheriff's Office. An arrest is an indication that probable cause exists to believe the subject was involved in the offense alleged. A person is innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Update 10/29 8:10 p.m. Green has been located and taken into custody. 03 Nov 2023. CPSO arrests man for rap. On July 30, Calcasieu Parish Sheriff's Office detectives received a complaint in reference to a rap. During the initial investigation, the victim advised detectives he was sexually assaulted by Brandon Z. Reed, 28, Branch LA. On 2 different occasions in July. The victim, who suffers from intellectual disabilities, further advised detectives the incidents occurred in Calcasieu Parish, when Reed, a family acquaintance, was staying at their home. After further investigation, on October 27, detectives spoke with Reed, at which time he confirmed the allegations. Reed also disclosed another incident where he sexually assaulted the victim. He was arrested and booked into the Calcasieu Correctional Center and charged with 2 counts of second-degree rap, and felony sexual battery. Judge Tony Fazio set his bond at $1,075,000. CPSO Detective Sonny Skiro is the lead investigator on this case. 07 Nov 2023. CPSO arrests man for solicitation of a mini. On September 25, Calcasieu Parish Sheriff's Office Special Victims Unit detectives received a complaint in reference to Colby D. West, 32, Lake Charles, attempting to solicit underage boys. During the investigation, detectives spoke with West, who confirmed he was attempting to solicit nude photographs from underage boys on social media sites. After a forensic examination of West's electronic devices, it was discovered he was in possession of many sexual abuse material. On November 7, West was arrested and booked into the Calcasieu Correctional Center, and charged with computer-aided solicitation of a mini and pornography involving juvies. Judge Tony Fazio set his bond at $200,000. CPSO Detective Jeff Atkinson is the lead investigator on this case. November 8, 2023. CPSO arrest man for indecent behavior. On November 6 at approximately 11:30 a.m. Calcasieu Parish Sheriff's Office school resource officers at a local high school were advised Kenneth R. Cretchain, Jr., 19, Lake Charles, was possibly on his way to the school to pick up a student for sexual purposes. SROs located Cretchain when he arrived at the school, at which time he was transported to CPSO for questioning. During the investigation, detectives learned Chrétien sent the victim lewd messages about picking her up to have sexual intercourse. After detectives spoke with Chrétien, he was arrested and booked into the Calcasieu Correctional Center and charged with indecent behavior with juves, and criminal trespass. Judge Tony Fazio set his bond at $100,500. CPSO Detective Alexander Vincent is the lead investigator on this case.